Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here on Foxtecc. In this one, we're going to be talking about the messages and how you can send them over to your email, how the entire process works, and what are the things you need to know about it. Let's get into it right now. So, you might be wondering how to send the text messages you receive on your iPad to someone else using email. The options for doing this are somewhat limited, but I found a straightforward method that works well. The best approach is to take a screenshot of the message and then send it directly through email without even saving it to your gallery. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Messages app on your iPad and navigate to the chat containing the message you want to send. To take a screenshot, press the top button and the volume up button simultaneously. This will capture an image of your screen. Once you've taken the screenshot, you can crop the image if you only want to send a portion of the conversation. To do this, tap on the screenshot preview that appears in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open the screenshot editor where you can adjust the cropping as needed. Now, without saving the photo to your gallery, you can share it directly from the edit page. Tap the share icon, which looks like a box with an arrow pointing up. From the list of apps that appear, select your email app. This could be the default mail app or any other email client you have installed on your iPad. Once you select the email app, it will open a new email draft with the screenshot attached. Simply enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and any additional message you want to include. When you're ready, tap send to share the screenshot via email. Another option you have is to copy individual text messages and paste them into an email. This method can be a bit tedious if you're dealing with multiple messages, but it works well for sharing longer texts efficiently. To do this, press and hold on the message you want to copy until the context menu appears. Then select Copy. Open your email app, start a new email, and paste the copied text into the body of the email. You can repeat this process for each message you want to include. These methods provide a simple way to share your text messages via email, making it easy to communicate with others who might not be using the Messages app. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. I hope you found this guide helpful for sending messages from your iPad to email. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you guys later.